Shorten the extensions to allow for growth between visits. Thin the very end of the extension, bearing just the very edge of the natural nail, and check for any separation. If there is any free edge separation present, remove the separated area. Rebalance the remaining gel on the nail plate by thinning the enhancement, checking the side view to ensure the placement of the visual high point. After thinning the gel, any areas that the seal is broken must be completely removed to eliminate any chance for bacteria growth. To remove separation without marking the natural nail, keep the angle of your filing tool parallel to the area you are blending. Always keep the edge of your file on the gel and not on the natural nail. With a nail wipe saturated with afterwipe, cleanse the nails. Apply 2 to 4 coats of bondage to the entire nail surface. Be careful not to make contact with any tissue surrounding the nail plate. Once applied, the bondage stays tacky. Apply room temperature first and last, carefully pillowing around the cuticle, taking care not to touch any skin. Do not wipe the smile line. Double check for any skin contact and wipe away any gel that has contacted the skin. Freeze for 20 seconds. With flexure, float across the extension, applying a thin layer from the support bridge to the end of the extension. Freeze for 20 seconds. With flex, float from the growth area away from the cuticle and up to the flexure. Use the overhead light to assess the line of shine. Tuck and pull flex into any low spots. Double check for gel skin contact. Cure for 2 minutes. With a nail wipe saturated with afterwipe, remove the dispersion layer. Finish with filing techniques and finishing as you normally would.